GoHighLevel just gave their AI website builder 7 huge upgrades, and the newest one dropped just a few days ago. Here's what this tool does. You type what you want, and it builds a full website for you by itself. Now, it can pull in your real brand photos. It can save the whole site into one template, and it can copy that site to every client you have, all for free. Let me show you all 7. And I know what I'm talking about because I run a social media marketing agency. Last month, we did over $365,000 in revenue. Let me refresh my payment processor real quick so you can see it's real. I show you this every video because if someone on YouTube won't show you their real numbers, you probably shouldn't listen to them. So there it is, over $365,000 last month, about 350 active clients, and we charge around $1,000 a month. So the tool I'm talking about is called AI Studio. It lives inside GoHighLevel. It's an AI website builder. You tell it what you want and it builds it for you. No coding, no designers, no drag and drop. You just talk to it like you're texting a friend, and a real website comes out the other side. I made a whole video when it first came out, but these 7 new upgrades changed the game for agencies. This is for anyone who builds websites for clients or anyone who wants to start. And here's the opportunity. Local businesses pay good money for a website. Some pay $500, some pay a few thousand. The old way, you'd hire a designer, wait 2 weeks, and go back and forth on edits. Now you can build that whole site in minutes by just typing. That's a real service you can sell starting this week. And these 7 upgrades are what make it good enough to charge for. Let's get into them. Upgrade 1 is completely free right now. Let's start with the price, because right now the price is nothing. AI Studio lives inside something called HighLevel Labs. That's where GoHighLevel drops new features before they roll out to everyone. You can see it right in the menu, AI Studio with a little beta tag on it. And if you pop into settings, then Labs, there it is in the beta program. And while it's in here, it's free. Unlimited builds, no credit limits, no per build fees, nothing. Other AI website tools charge you every single month. Some are $20, some are $50, some are way more. This one is $0. I've built more client sites than I can count, and I've paid nothing for it. You could build 50 sites this week and still pay nothing. For an agency, that's pure profit. Now here's the catch. They've already said paid pricing is coming once it leaves Labs. There's even a token counter on the way. So right now is the time to use it. Build the habit while it's still free. Upgrade 2. Your media library is now built in, and this is the newest one. They just dropped it a few days ago. You can now use your media library right inside AI Studio. Before, the AI would make up random stock photos. They looked generic. They didn't match the brand at all. Now it pulls in your real stuff, your logo, your photos, your colors. Let me show you with my own accounting firm, Life Accounting. Here's the prompt I type in: build a modern professional website for Life Accounting, my small business accounting firm. Reference my old website for the branding and the colors. Then I list out what we do: bookkeeping, tax prep, tax planning, CFO, and CPA services. And real quick, you can pause right here to read the rest of it. If you want to copy the whole prompt word for word, you can grab all my prompts for free with the link in the description. But more on that later. Now here's the new part. I click the little plus menu and choose Media Library. I can add a reference image to guide the look or just insert a link. So I grab my real files, my logo, my team photos, and drop them right into the prompt. Then I hit go and watch it build, and look at this. My headline comes up in my real brand green. My actual team photo lands right in the hero. There's a schedule a call button, a full services section, even little trust badges, expert CPAs, 30+ years of experience. A couple minutes and the whole site is done. And it looks like a real brand, not like a robot made it, and I'm not stuck with what it picked. I can click any image and swap it for another one from my media library, like a photo of my actual team in their life shirts. I can set the little icon up in the browser tab. I can even set the preview image that shows up when someone shares the link. And here's the best part. Those images stay attached to the project. So if I copy this site later, the photos come with it. That's a big deal. And I'll show you exactly why at the end. Upgrade 3, visual edits. This one saves you so much time. Before, if a client wanted one small change, you had to ask the AI again and wait for it to redo the whole thing. Now you just click the thing you want to change. Watch. I click a button and change its color. I click a headline and switch the font, sans serif, serif, mono, whatever I want. I can bump the size up or down. I click any piece of text and just retype it. There's even a library of over 1,600 icons to pick from. Every change shows up right away. I just hit save. I'm not waiting on the AI at all. And here's the kicker. This part doesn't cost any tokens ever. So even when paid pricing shows up later, your edits stay free. A client wants the button blue instead of green. 2 seconds, done. You can even do it live while you're on a call with them. They ask for a change, and before they finish talking, it's already done. That's how you keep clients happy. That's how you keep them paying you every month. By the way, GoHighLevel is the platform I use to run my entire agency and all my clients. So if you haven't tried it out yet, you can use my link down in the description. And when you sign up with my link, you also get access to my community with over 100 video lessons, an AI prompt library, and other bonuses completely free. All right, let's keep going. Upgrade 4, the site connects to your CRM. This is the part the other AI builders just can't do. Tools like Lovable or Bolt can make a nice looking website, but it just sits there. It doesn't do anything. With AI Studio, the forms and the booking calendar connect straight to GoHighLevel. Let me prove it. I type one prompt, connect all my forms to CRM tracking. It thinks for a second and it's done. Then I go to my live site and I fill out the consultation form myself like a real visitor would. Name, email, phone, I pick a time on the calendar and I hit submit. Now watch, I jump over to GoHighLevel into my contacts. And there it is, a brand new contact. The name, the email, the phone, and the appointment already on the calendar. Nobody typed it in, the website did it. So when someone fills out a form, they become a contact. When they book a call, it lands on your real calendar and it can kick off a whole workflow. Texts, emails, reminders, all automatic. This is the difference between a $500 website and a $1,000 a month client. A pretty page is worth a little. A page that books appointments and follows up on its own is worth a lot more. Now, it's not just a website, it's a lead machine. And that's the whole reason a business pays you every month. Not for a pretty page, for new customers in the door. Upgrade 5, you control who can touch it. This one matters once you have a team or a VA. Watch, you go to settings, then my staff, then roles and permissions, scroll down and there's a section just for AI Studio. 2 options, view only or view and manage. So you can let your assistant build and edit client sites, but you decide exactly what they can see and touch. Maybe you pay a VA a few bucks an hour to build these for you. Now you can let them in without handing over the keys to everything. They build all day. You never have to touch it. And they still can't get into the stuff you want kept private. This was one of the most requested features, and now it's here. Upgrade 6, clone a project into any client account. Say you build a great site for one client. You can copy that exact project into any other client's account. Watch, I open the project and hit clone. A little box pops up. I give the copy a name, I pick which sub account to send it to, and there's a toggle, bring the whole chat history along or start clean. I hit clone, then I jump into that other account and there it is. The whole project copied over, ready to go. So you just signed your second accounting client. Don't start over, just clone the first one, change the name and the colors, done in minutes. Your first site might take an hour to get just right. Every client after that takes a few minutes. You're not paying for the same work twice. And this leads right into the biggest one of all. Upgrade 7. AI Studio now works with snapshots. If you're new, a snapshot is like a template for a whole client account. It's how agencies set up new clients fast. And now your AI Studio website's right along inside it. Watch, I go up to my agency into account snapshots and create a new one. It pulls up everything in the account, and there's a brand new section called AI Studio. I just check my life accounting site and it gets packed into the snapshot with everything else. Then in a brand new client account, I load that snapshot and the AI Studio site comes right along with it. The whole thing, plus the real photos. So here's the play. You build one amazing website for an accounting firm. You drop it in a snapshot. Then you load that snapshot into every new accounting client you sign. Build it one time, deploy it to all of them. And this isn't just for accounting, it works for any niche. Build one great site for a dentist or a gym or a law firm, snapshot it, then drop it into every new client in that industry. You become the go-to person for that whole niche. Let's talk money. Okay, say you charge $1,000 a month and you sign 10 clients. That's $10,000 a month. And you built the website one time. That's how you grow without working 10 times as hard. One build, unlimited clients. That right there is leverage. Now, real quick, let me keep it honest. It's not perfect yet. There's no built-in analytics inside AI Studio yet. I actually pulled up their public roadmap and it's the #1 most requested thing on there. Over 100 votes marked as planned. Same with a database and a GitHub connection. They're coming, just not today. So it's not a full replacement for every tool out there. But for building and launching real client websites fast, it's hard to beat. especially when it's free. So those are the 7 new upgrades to AI Studio. If you've never used it, go build something while it's still free. Coming up next, I've got my full AI Studio walkthrough. I built a client website from scratch, step by step. So check that out if you haven't already, and I'll see you over there.